Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing very well, especially the new mothers. I'm still trying to lose weight, so I'm trying my best to change the way I eat now. I'm going to have this portion for lunch, but before that, let me show you how I made this salad. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to turn on the notifications bell so that you will not miss any video that I post in the future. These are my ingredients for the salad. I've got plum, tomatoes, cucumber, I've peeled off the skin, almonds, this is steamed mushrooms, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, beetroot, and that is fresh parsley. I've already washed them. I'm going to chop them and I'll start making the salad. I've also diced the plum, tomatoes, and the parsley. So let's mix this. It's time to make our dressing. This is going to be the base of the dressing. This is grated red onions. So that is also going to go in there. Next is chili flakes. Less than 1 teaspoon. Less than 1 teaspoon of pink salt. Next is black pepper. Okay, so another 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I have my extra virgin olive oil. This is 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Finally, I've got my apple cider vinegar, and that is also 2 tablespoons. Don't mind the olive oil there, it's because I'm using the same container. This salad loses its taste if you leave it overnight. The almonds also loses its crunchiness, so if you're going to try it, make sure you consume it within the same day. Or you can decide to take out the onions and the apple cider vinegar from the dressing and only add the almonds when you are ready to eat, instead of adding it right from the beginning with the dressing. Almond, mushroom, and beetroot salad. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and make sure you click on the notifications bell so that you will not miss any video that I post. Enjoy your complete meal on Kitchen Romance, brought to you by Married with a Life. So join me as I have my lunch. This is probably one of the best salads I've made so far. It's very nice. The almond just gives it a very different taste. Please click on the thumbs up and let me know what you like about this video in the comments section. If this video has blessed you, please share it with others. I will see you next time on Kitchen Romance. Bye for now.